Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you'll consider subscribing so that I can update you every time I share a new and fun video. We do have lots of fun over here, so I hope that you will go ahead and subscribe. But today I am going to share with you a plum paper unboxing, and in this box are lots of accessories and stickers and stationery and all kinds of fun items that Plum Paper Planner Company has available on their website. If you are not familiar with Plum Paper, I do use their planner, and I'll leave a link to this above if you would like to see the inside and how I lay out my week and I monthly plan and all the things. I'll leave a link to that above. And then I also use one of their really beautiful notebooks, and there's so many different designs and things to choose from, but I use this for all of my work related for the travel agency that I work for, Mickey World Travel, which specializes in Disney vacations. So all of my stuff for that is written in here so that I can keep track of that on a daily basis as well. So I have been using them for this entire year, this whole a little bit over a month. And I really am enjoying it, and I keep going back to their website to look at other things that they have because they do have lots of fun and beautiful items. I do not unfortunately have a promo code linked below, but if you would like for me to send you a promo code, you just need to email me with an email address that you have not given to Plum Paper. I repeat, if you have given Plum Paper your email address, I cannot send you a promo. So many of you have reached out to me for promos, and I wasn't able to do it because you had already been on their site and plugged in your email address, and then you're not considered a new customer, so I can't send you a promo. All right, so with all of that being said, let's go ahead and open up this box and I'll show you guys everything that's inside. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this up and see what's inside. It's kind of heavy. I don't even exactly remember everything that I have in here. But I'm sure it's a decent amount of stuff, and it's going to be super fun to open it with you guys. Okay, they have this very well packaged with lots of bubble wrap, and then a plum paper card. More bubble wrap. Very nicely done. Oh my gosh, so many cute things. They always have a little card that tells you something about the cover material, how to clean it, and things like that. I have some really cute pom-pom paper clips. I thought that these would make for good bookmarks or to mark certain pages. Sometimes when I have to flip back to certain times of year, it's nice to mark it somehow, and these are adorable. I love the colors, really, really cute. Of course, I have some fun washi tape. There's a little bit of a glare on it, so let me open it so I can show it to you a little bit better. Okay, so there are 3 different designs. This one says doing amazing. Just keep saying doing amazing over and over again. And then I have this really pretty speckled lavender, and then this navy blue with just little stripes. And then I have some stationery, so cute, with this royal blue and the pink anchors. It just has my initials on the front, and I often send thank you letters to my clients when they travel through the agency that I work for. So I just thought these were really cute and travel specific, kind of, especially if someone's going on a cruise. So that was fun to pick up. Okay, so this is weird. This is stationery, but it's basically just a piece of paper. It does not open. It's only one side. Like, I keep trying, but it's not opening. So I think I need to email the company and see why this is not actually like a stationery card. It's just a piece of paper, which is really weird that they messed that up. And then I have this really adorable pencil case, which I'll open up and show you guys. Really, really pretty. I love the zipper here, and nicely lined inside. It's really thick and durable, great for travel, and I love the coloring. Again, all of these like pretty pastel colors, so adorable. And then here is 1 pack of stickers, and this just has appointments, goals, priority, schedule, to do, and to buy. And these are things that I really would use weekly. and I definitely think they're very like practical stickers that will be well used. Some stickers are decorative, some stickers are like very practical and just help to keep me on task. Here is the self-care sticker set. This is such a great idea. It has stickers that say self-care, lazy day, relax, me day, and then if you guys can see here, it has little pictures of like bathtubs and coffee, nail polish. So I actually keep track of when I do my nails, so I can like put a little nail polish sticker, something here for haircuts, and I just think it's really cute. And then this is a pack of direct sale stickers. So these stickers are great because they have things that are goal oriented. So goal reached, power hour, keeping a budget, launch party, home party, and mileage. It has little pictures of computers, so like the days that I know I have a lot of desk work to do. I just think it's really going to be helpful in my travel agency work, so that was another one that I picked up. And then I have two more notebooks. So this is a smaller size notebook, and it's basically the same type of layout. So it has at the beginning a place to personalize, and then it has all of the months of the year, so you can just kind of write down your schedule, or for me this might be my YouTube stuff, so what I'm posting monthly, collabs that I have set up, or ideas that I have to do. So this is like a great idea page for ideas, plans, and goals. And then it just goes into a regular notebook, and what I really like about it is they have pockets in the back, so you can save receipts or notes or photographs or whatever you want to stick back there. And then this notebook is basically the same as the one that I already have, but again, there's so many different beautiful designs to choose from, so I really particularly liked this design. You can personalize it with different fonts, different words. You can put the name of your company. You can just put your name. You can do without it altogether. It's up to you. So anyway, it has this really great cover page to protect it, which I love. And then same layout as the smaller one. Lots of note pages in here, and you had an option to add more note pages on. So I did add more on. So this is a pretty thick notebook. Lots of space for notes, and then again in the back you have the back pocket here. So really great, love it. I'm definitely going to be getting lots of use out of these notebooks and all of these sticker pages. It's just so much fun to have all of these accessories. Just kind of getting everything together here. And yeah, all good stuff. My pencil case, love having a pencil case, especially for traveling. Washi tape, and then finally that adorable stationery. So that is everything that I got in this Plum Paper Planner accessory haul. I hope that you enjoyed seeing it all. It's lots of fun to get new things to plan with, and I'm excited to start using it. It's always so much fun saving things that I receive in the mail to do an unboxing video with you guys. It just makes it that much more interesting to me anyway. So I do hope that you enjoyed seeing some of the other products that Plum Paper Planner does have available on their website. So many fun things to choose from. I love all of the different designs that they have for personalized stationery, and the stickers that they have are really nicely done, and they have such a variety that I feel like almost everyone can find the types of stickers that they need for their planning. So it's always more fun to plan with stickers and fun markers and washi tape and all the things. It's something I fall in and out of quite often. I'm not always decorating my planner. Some weeks are very basic, just depending on how busy I am, but it actually is a way for me to get creative and do something fun on a Sunday afternoon when I'm planning. And it also makes your week a little bit nicer when you have pretty stickers on the days of your week. So even if you're having a bad week, if you have pretty stickers, it just makes it feel better, right? Or is that just me? I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, again, please go ahead and consider subscribing. It's so important, it really is. So I hope that if you are watching my videos, you will take the initiative to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are interested in some more fun stuff and fun content, I have a Patreon channel. I will link that above, and it's always linked below as well. The month of February has been super fun because we're doing Netflix watch parties, and me and my husband are doing a couples Q&A, and we have our book club that is meeting at the end of the month. So it's just, there's always fun things going on. Maybe you'll consider joining us over there as well. I hope that you're all doing great, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.